Are you curious about the location and function of the fuse box in the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer? Would you like to know how to access the fuse box and interpret its diagram? What specific fuses control features, like the lights, audio system, or engine functions? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer houses fuses that protect critical engine and electrical components. It manages power for systems like the fuel pump, engine control unit, and cooling fans. This fuse block is typically located near the battery for easy access and maintenance. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer controls fuses for interior electrical components such as the dashboard, infotainment system, and lighting. It protects circuits related to comfort and convenience features like power windows and locks. This fuse block is usually located beneath the dashboard for easy access during maintenance. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer manages fuses for rear electrical systems, including the rear wiper, liftgate, and tail lights. It helps protect circuits associated with cargo area lighting and other rear accessories. Typically located in the rear of the vehicle, it allows for convenient access for maintenance and fuse replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse. Standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse. High amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.